Are you satisfied with your current SEO strategy? Is your website performing as well as you'd like it to? If you're unsure, it might be time to consider creating a roadmap for your technical and on-page SEO using SE Ranking. SE Ranking is a comprehensive SEO platform that offers a multitude of tools and features designed to optimize your website's visibility on search engines. If you're new to the platform, getting started is as simple as setting up an account and connecting your website. Your first step on this journey is conducting a website audit and analysis. The SE Ranking platform features a robust website audit tool that can help identify technical issues like broken links, duplicate content, slow page speeds, and more. Once you've got your audit report, it's crucial to prioritize the technical issues that need immediate attention. Your next step is diving into keyword research and on-page optimization. SE Ranking's keyword research tool can help you identify the most relevant keywords for your content. Remember, the goal is to find a balance between search volume and competition. Then, go through your website's pages and optimize on-page elements such as titles, meta descriptions, headers, and content. Don't forget to incorporate your target keywords naturally and ensure your content is both valuable and relevant to users. The third step is all about your content strategy and updates. SE Ranking's tools can help you perform a content gap analysis, identifying topics and keywords your competitors are ranking for, but you're not. This can help you uncover opportunities for new, engaging content. Next, it's time to focus on your backlink strategy. SE Ranking's backlink analysis tools can assess your existing backlink profile and identify any toxic or low-quality links that need to be disavowed. You can also analyze your competitors' backlink profiles to spot potential link building opportunities. Lastly, you'll want to set up rank tracking for your target keywords and regularly monitor your website's SEO performance. With SE Ranking, you can generate detailed reports that provide insights into your progress and areas for improvement. In conclusion, creating a roadmap for technical and on-page SEO using SE Ranking can significantly enhance your website's performance. By following these steps, you can identify and resolve technical issues, optimize your on-page elements, develop a strategic content plan, and build a solid backlink profile. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Regular monitoring and adjustments are key to achieving long-term success. So why not give SE Ranking a try and see the difference it can make for your SEO strategy?